YouTube is one of the most powerful platforms on the internet, attracting billions of viewers every month. But here's the real kicker. You don't even need to create videos yourself to make money on YouTube. Sounds unbelievable, right? But it's entirely possible. Many successful YouTube channels are run by people who never appear on camera or even touch the video editing process. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to build a profitable YouTube business without ever recording a single video. Why YouTube is a goldmine for passive income. YouTube is more than just a video sharing site. It's a massive revenue machine. With millions of users consuming content daily, the platform has turned ordinary people into millionaires. Take, for example, channels that post simple animated stories or narrated educational content. Many of them rake in 6 to 7 figures annually, all without the creator ever appearing on screen. The good news, you can do the same. Let's dive into the best ways to earn money on YouTube without making videos yourself. Ways to monetize a YouTube channel without filming. There are several ways to generate income on YouTube, and most don't require personal involvement in video production. 1. YouTube ads and monetization. The first and most obvious way to make money is through YouTube's partner program. Once your channel meets these requirements, 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. In the past 12 months, you can start earning from ads shown on your videos. However, not all content is equally profitable. Videos about finance, technology, and business tend to have higher ad rates, while general entertainment content usually earns less per view. 2. Affiliate marketing and sponsorships. Even if your channel isn't monetized through ads yet, you can still earn money through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Additionally, as your channel grows, brands may pay you for sponsorships. Essentially, they'll pay you to feature their products in your videos. Some YouTubers make more from sponsorships than ad revenue alone. The secret to earning without creating videos: YouTube automation. Now, let's talk about the real game changer, YouTube automation. What is YouTube automation? YouTube automation is a system where you own and run a YouTube channel without personally creating any of the content. Instead, you outsource tasks like scripting, voiceovers, video editing, and thumbnails. Many people call these cash cow channels because they can generate consistent revenue with minimal hands-on effort. How does it work? Rather than filming content yourself, you hire a team to handle everything. A typical automated channel setup includes a researcher, finds trending topics that attract views, a scriptwriter, crafts engaging narratives, a voiceover artist, narrates the script, a video editor, assembles the footage and animations, a thumbnail designer, creates eye-catching visuals. With a well-structured team, you can run a highly profitable YouTube channel without ever touching the creative process yourself. Choosing a profitable YouTube niche. Not all YouTube niches generate the same income. If you want to maximize your earnings, you need to choose a niche with high advertising rates, CPM. Here are some of the most profitable niches for YouTube automation in 2024. Personal finance and investing, highest CPM. Business and entrepreneurship technology reviews, and AI luxury and travel. Health and wellness, motivation and success stories, educational documentaries. Picking the right niche is crucial because advertisers pay more for certain types of content. For example, a video about credit cards or investing will earn significantly more per ad than a general vlog or meme compilation. How to start a YouTube automation channel. Want to launch your own automated YouTube channel? Follow these steps. Step 1. Find high-performing video topics. Browse YouTube and filter videos by most popular in your chosen niche. Take note of common themes and trends. Step 2. Set up and optimize your channel. Use keywords in your channel name and description. Create a professional-looking banner and profile picture. Step 3. Build your content creation team. Outsource the following roles on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork: scriptwriting, voiceovers, video editing, thumbnail design. Step 4. Upload consistently and optimize for growth. Regular uploads, engaging thumbnails, and SEO-friendly titles will help your videos rank higher and attract more viewers. Scaling and expanding your YouTube business. Once your first YouTube automation channel is running smoothly, you can scale up by launching multiple channels in different niches, selling online courses or digital products related to your niche, starting a website to drive additional traffic and revenue. Many YouTube entrepreneurs run several channels at once, multiplying their earnings without additional personal effort. Ready to start? Let's make it happen. YouTube automation is one of the most effective ways to generate passive income online. If you want a done-for-you solution, my team offers complete YouTube automation services, full content production and management. DM me on Instagram, instagram.com/automation. Final thoughts. Making money on YouTube without creating videos is not only possible, it's an incredibly powerful business model. By leveraging YouTube automation, you can build a channel that generates income without ever filming or editing a single video. The best time to start? Right now. Take action today, and you could be on your way to running a profitable YouTube business in just a few months.